to this tutorial video with AiMLiner. In this video tutorial, I'll be covering the admin side of the subscribed user on AiMLiner, right? So all you need to do is just go into AiMLiner.com and scroll down, and you would see the subscriber login, right? So enter your email address and the password that you have created with AiMLiner. Just click on login and it will take you to another page, which is the admin side there, as you can see, /admin. So in my previous video, I made 2 orders. So it should show you a notification here that there are already new orders made to you. So these orders will include all of the information that was inputted by your customer or your buyer. And this is the order number, the email that they've used, and their number, your phone number, your telephone number, billing address, and the shipping address. If they have changed the shipping address, it should be different here. And this is the order total and the date order that they made. As you can see, the status is here. It says that it's pending because since this is just new, it should start as pending. So just click onto that status and you would see all of the details of that order. Earlier in the video, you will be able to see the order notes here. Let me show that to you. So we're going to track this order and see the difference between those two, right? We're already logged in as that customer, right? The order history, right? The view order, right? So in the status is still pending. Okay, so if we are going to make an update about this order, so once we have, of course, if you have confirmed the payment, you have already received the money, make sure that you will be able to update, or that you have already updated your shipping details. Let's say that the tracking number is like this, and you use the LBC Express, then click on the update shopping details. Right. It says here in the order details, a notification that says the shipping status has been updated. Just scroll down and you will see it here. It will put an order note on on what happened to that order. So it says here that the order has been shipped via LBC with this tracking number, and you can track it by using their website. So it should be updated here as well. So let me just refresh it. There, the status is shipped. Alright, so in order for you to see that status or get an update to that status, track the order. So the order number is 73 and the email address that I've used. Right. We should see the status of this. That's just the same with the order notes here. The order has been received at this time and the status has been received at this time. So it should be the same. So it is synchronized. So once this is updated, the order tracking should be updated as well. So always update your customer that maybe give them a text message to go to your website and track your order. And they will be able to see all of its status. So as you can see let's go back to the order details or just to the orders. Alright. So as you can see, the status is already shipped. Right? Ship means that the item is still en route. The order is still en route. So should the item already been should the order has already been received by your customer, don't forget to select the or change the order status as completed and say some notes on thank you for doing business. Something like that. You update your order status and your order note should be updated as well. Okay, let's go back to order tracking. The order history. As you can see, the order is completed. And let's track it back. Order 73 and see the status order has been changed to completed. Thank you for doing your business. So what's whatever that whatever notes that are inputted into this part, it should be synchronized onto the status onto the main website. Okay, so as we can see here onto, let's try to check out again. I'm going to show you some of the shipping options and to the payment options. All right, right now go to checkout. All right, I'm going to show you where you can edit this and this into your admin. All right, so just click on my account and click on the payment methods. Right. So as you can see here, there are several payment methods that you can use for your options. So in this area, we have only the bank deposit transfer. So this is actually bank deposit, and this is the description. The description should be shown here in this area. So let's change that. On clicking place order, please follow the instructions on the next page. Alright, let's save that. Of course, you would need to refresh this one. Right, let's click on this area again. See, it's updated. Okay, so if you'd want to be more specific with this payment method, just put in here the payment method name, like if you're using the Bank de Oro, Bank de Oro bank deposit, something like that, just for you to be very precise. But if you have several banks, you can just input their bank transfer or money transfer, several money transfer, cash on delivery, cash on pickup, or mobile money transfer. Everything here is very user friendly. It is what it is. As what you see is what it is. So since I have enabled the money transfer here, see money transfer, see if it's enabled, it should show that option here in the payment method. Same thing with these areas. Since it's disabled, as you can see with the payments methods here, since it's disabled, it's not gonna show here on your payment methods. Alright, so let's go to the shipping options. Under the shipping option, there are several areas that you can choose as well. There's a weight-based shipping. That's why that every item on the products page has its own weight. That's why it has its shipping method as weight-based. So there is actually an instruction here on how you should put the shipping options. In this instruction, you should see one option per line. So the format is area of delivery, the place where you are going to deliver that item, the lower weight, the upper weight, and its cost. The lower weight and the upper weight is actually the range of that weight, and this range is in grams, not in kilograms, in grams. Okay, let's try to add another field here. Alright, just to be more specific, let's make this the zone 1 kilogram and zone, copy and paste it, 2 kilograms maximum. Alright, make sure that the range is not the same as the ones on top. So since the maximum here is already at 1000 kilograms, or 1000 grams rather, make it to 1001 grams into 2 kilograms. Don't forget to change the amount as well. So let's try make this 200. The sun 3 kilograms. Alright. Alright, so the maximum or the minimum is at 2001 since the maximum here is at 2000 already. And the maximum is at 3000. Alright, let's save this one up. And let's go back to this area. Let's try to change it to 20 shopping, to 20 quantities. Don't forget to change your or update your shopping cart. Alright, since if it's already updated, it should give you a notification. And let's go to checkout. So it says here that the item that we have bought for 20 pieces of C24 is just within the range of 1 kilogram. So it should show 180. Right. So let's try to change it to more heavier quantity. Let's see, 30. Update shopping cart. Okay, go to checkout. Let's see. Okay, so as we can see here, the shipping method has only the Luzon for 2 kilograms. And the total package weight is at 1,500 grams. So you might be wondering why it's only showing one shipping method when we enabled 3, which is the Visayas and the Mindanao. So see here, because since the range is already at 1,500, or the weight is already at 1,500, the Visayas shipping doesn't have that range for 1,500 grams. So let's try to add that up. Right, 1 kilogram and it's 2 kilograms. So 1001 to 2 kilograms. Change the. Alright, let's do one as well with Mindanao. Mindanao shipping, or to be more specific, and 2 kilograms. 1000, 1 and 2000 is the maximum. So this one's already at 235, just for an example. Alright, let's save the changes, update it, alright, and refresh the page. Let's see if the shipping methods will change. Right, there we have it. We already have the Luzon for 2 kilograms, the Visayas for 2 kilograms, and the Mindanao for 2 kilograms, because it's within the range of 1 kilogram to 2 kilograms. Right, so should you change this area, just go back to this and change the description. So let's say the zone Visayas and Mindanao LBC shipping. Right, so let's change it. Let's update the page. Alright, so it's updated. Okay, so that's one of the shipping options that AiMLiner has to offer for you. And another one shipping option is a local pickup shipping option. So all of these are basically on your disposal, wherein you don't need to follow it saying that it's a local pickup. You can just enable it and put it here as a meetup option. So let's say the description of this is it, only for customers around Albay, Legazpi. And instructions, so just put instructions, contact me with this number, something like that. Okay, just save the changes. Alright, let's refresh this one. The shipping method should have another option here. There it is, meetup. Only for customers around Albay, Legazpi. So if you have enabled this option, these instructions are only going to be shown once you have placed the order. Okay? So it's not going to be shown into this checkout part yet. Once you have completed the order or placed the order, you will be able to see that instruction. Right? A local delivery is more like the same as this, but it's pretty much just within the area. Just within where you are right now. So since I am here in our province, we can just enable this and click on it, check the shipping option for vehicle region. And the delivery fee, let's see, 140. So only for customers within vehicle region. And instructions. Um, well, let's just put a comment here. Instructions for shipping within the area. Right? So let's save that up. Okay, let's refresh this page. And right, see the vehicle region shipping. Right. What's the most interesting part here is that this free shipping part. So once you enable this and you said that it's a free shipping, and your minimum order amount is at 15,000 and free shipping for a minimum of 15,000 order. Right. So if we have enabled that and changed that up, once we have refreshed here, all of the other shipping options will not be shown anymore. It only includes this free shipping because it already went past this limit of 15,000 order. So basically, if this free shipping option is activated or enabled and they have reached that quota, all of the other shipping options will not be seen onto your order. Okay? So the flat rate order is basically the same as the local pickup or a local delivery, but it also gives you an option for a flat rate order for maybe like this amount for maybe for a 30 kilogram transfer only, or box transfer, box shipping, sorry. So the default cost would be, let's see, 25,000, or it's too high, 3,000. Okay, let's save that up. Oh, let's disable the free shipping first so that we would be able to see that rate. Okay, so let's check that out. Flat rate shipping. Oh, I haven't enabled it. Sorry. Okay, let's go back. Refresh the page. And there you have it. Box ship only for 30 kg transfer. So it should show the shipping option here. And yeah. So of course, if you have the range that's within 30 kilograms, this would not be shown. All right. So let's do that. Let's try that. Let's update our shopping carts with, let's make this a bit high. 120. 100 C2 force would give you 20 points, right? And you'd be a silver executive. Okay, so as you can see, since it's not within the range anymore, those three options on the weight base is not shown. Only this are shown: meet up, vehicle region shipping, and for the box shipping. Once you have placed the order, as you have seen into my previous video, it will be practically the same, that you will receive an email to your public email address, to this customer's email address, and you will be able to see that into your orders that someone has placed an order to you. Alright? So, oh, by the way, you can edit your profile here. Just click on profile and change all the fields that are needed there. Next thing is aim. Alright, is aim global number. And of course your rank. This is not actually connected with the database in AIM Global per se. So you can choose whatever it is that whatever rank that you are in right now. It will depend on how you will be able to talk with your prospects, if you know what I mean. Alright, so let's do that. Update here. Okay. And this is the about me. Leave it for 500 characters. Alright, so let's update profile. Okay, so everything here should be updated. And when you go to your home page, it should be updated here. So, alright, so there you have it. That's the main part of being an admin. You can check and change everything with your payment methods, your shipping options. It's very flexible, and that's basically it. On your dashboard, you'll be able to see if you have new orders coming in. Check if there's a new one. Change it here, tracking number, this order status, if you have canceled it or not. Order notes will be updated with the track order once your customer has tracked it. Alright, so thanks for watching. I hope you have learned more about AiMLiner as a subscriber already. Alright, have a good day and ciao.